Exploiting domain dominance, when we're talking domains, we're talking about air, space, cyber, maritime, all of these different domains that make up really what we would call multi-domain operations.
And the best way to react on the battlefield is air movement. There's nothing faster and safer than being able to react quickly, move assets by air, insert them where you need them, or extract them, or relocate them on the battle space.
This aircraft allows us to operate in almost every single one of them, which our current fleet cannot do.
The idea that you can exploit temporary domain dominance means you have to have the reaction time and the range to react. If you want to give the maneuver force commander the opportunity or the option to react quickly to temporary domain dominance, maybe you brought a radar site down or you conducted a cyber attack, creating a period where they have a blind spot in their integrated air defense perimeter or something like that, you have to be able to do that from either relative sanctuary or further away, so the range is important, but you also need to be able to do it in the same basic reaction time that you've been dealing with your enduring fleet, and this capability allows them to do that. It is one of the important leaps in capability to go along with some of their other modernization priorities to get there.
Take advantage of your temporary domain dominance. You just have so many more capabilities, so many more options, and that's the entire point of the tiltrotor. That speed and that range allows the maneuver commander so many more options in how he executes his mission than the current fleet does today. The Army's working through its future warfighting concepts right now, and I think the tiltrotor is going to allow them to expand that discussion. Not only is it going to be in a long-range assault aircraft, it is going to be a requirement to provide general support. It's going to fit the requirement to provide logistics at extreme ranges and in a distributed high-threat environment.
Anytime you can offer the ability to move quickly on the battle space with surprise or react to situations that not even you were expecting, but you see an area where you can take advantage, that's critical.
We can go great distances that we've never done before. There is a domain that we've really not been in much, and I think we're going to. And of course, this aircraft is going to be constructed in a way that can operate in some difficult operational situations for sure.
Never once in my 31 years did I say, I really don't need any more capability. We owe it to our soldiers to provide them more capability as the defense industrial base and as American citizens that are supporting our soldiers and sailors, airmen, and Marines.
Survivability is a key consideration in anything that relates to combat operations. Every life preserved or everyone that is in a more survivable situation in a combat environment is a win.